In question 3c, we're asked to simplify the polynomial expression, and this one, a minus 5 cubed, gives us a lot of grief because we start confusing this with our monomial rules. First of all, we got to pay attention that this has a subtraction in it. Subtraction breaks it up, so it's no longer a monomial. We have a binomial that we're working with. Now, binomial rules, we cannot use our product, our quotient, and our power rule as we did a monomial. So these rules are out. So I'm going to try to debunk this myth. This is not a cubed minus 5 cubed. I repeat, that is not the way we do it, because that's a binomial and they play by a different set of rules. What we do want to do is we do want to write out our a minus 5 3 different times. So because it's a binomial, we have to shift gears and move into a different technique here. What we want to do is we want to be able to take our first two binomials and multiply them together, get that answer, and multiply it times our third. So multiplication of polynomials means that we need to use our distributive property. So our first terms are a squared, our outermost terms are minus 5a, our innermost terms are negative 5a, and our last terms are plus 25. And we need to take that answer and then multiply it times our a minus 5. Well, before I do that, I'd rather simplify our negative 5a and negative 5a. So that's going to be a squared minus 10a plus 25. Then take it times your third number that you need to multiply by, the third factor of a minus 5. Well, every time you multiply polynomials, you need to engage your distributive rule. Now, it really doesn't matter which way you do it, but I prefer to distribute the a minus 5 to the a squared minus 10a plus 25. So I got to take the a times the a squared, which is a cubed. Then I got to take the a times the negative 10a, which is a negative 10a squared. And then I must take the a times 25, which is plus 25a. The next time I distribute, I have to distribute the negative 5. I'm also supposed to take this negative 5 times the a squared, negative 10a, and 25. So that's going to be a negative 5a squared. I'm going to put that underneath the other a squared, collect the like terms that way. A negative 5 times a negative 10 is a positive 50a, and a negative 5 times a positive 25 is a negative 125. Once you get done distributing, you collect your like terms, and I'll give you an a cubed minus 15a squared plus 75a minus 125. So be really careful not to fall in the trap where you're going to use your monomial rules on a binomial. It's just a bear trap. You got to stay out of there.